Okay. We'll get over here. And we hug the motor. We go. Nice small black chevy. Alright guys, welcome back to Moose's Garage. We're going to finish the teardown on this 350 Chevy out of the 68 C10 project. First ride and piston we took out. The bearings look good.
Yeah, bearings didn't look bad. There's a little scuffing, but
the rings didn't look so good.
No, rings and pistons look really good.
So we're going to try to tear this apart. You know, I didn't bring my ratchet socket.
Oh, you're in that.
That balancer. Yeah. We're going to have to Armstrong it.
Yep.
So, I guess without further ado, we will
Commence.
see what we can mess up today. Is this thing drained all the way, you think?
I think so, because we had it all upside down and everything. If it don't, that's right. I got some kitty litter Friday.
Kitty litters? The litters of kitties?
Litters.
Okay. Turn this upside down. Yep. You want me to Armstrong or do you want me?
You don't matter. Didn't have that shot yet.
Because what you're going to want to do is go. Oh!
Too much.
Come back just back a little. Oh, right here.
Better.
Yeah, see that? Well, you know. But yeah, I'm looking at that right there.
Yeah, you see it.
That ridge.
Actually, you stand back here with that light, you can see that ridge.
Yeah. They did ridge drain it, but they did not take the ridge all the way out. So, now we get to take it apart.
See what this one looks like.
Well, so far that first one made me feel good.
Yeah. Using the rest of them. Oh, you didn't bring stuff here for the.
No, but we got the hose.
Yeah.
It puts the lotion on its skin or it gets the hose. Yeah, I think those are the two we use. That's right. Nobody wants to see my ass.
Yeah, I forgot all about. Well, I thought it was a nice weekend that they was gonna have that. They got their church this weekend. I said, that works.
There we go.
There it is.
Oh. All right. You got these, right?
Yep. You got a flashlight too.
Alright, I don't know if we can see that, but it's got a little bit of scoring on it. But yeah, I think it could polish. Yep.
That's the only one you have to do, that'd be good, huh?
Well, if you're gonna polish it,
Thing.
yep. Might as well. Okay. Here we go. Just like so. You know what? Anybody was doing the stock 350, say the pistons are still good. Rings? Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Come on, look in the camera, see if you can see that.
Okay. Yep, you have to come closer. Take that right up to it, Moose. Still focusing yet. Okay, about right there. I don't know if he's...
Right there. You cannot put your oil rings like that. That might explain why we had some massive smoking. Yep.
Yeah.
That is not good.
No.
We are going to save this one. We're going to put this on another video because I just can't believe. Yeah, I can. I can believe it. What do you think?
Yeah. I can believe it. Shit on the cars.
Well, somebody rebuilt this. And I don't think they tried.
Yeah.
I don't think they really knew what they were doing.
Them,
You know?
them crews, they did it, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. We get to go this one. This way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, a little bit more. Right there. You know, I knew I forgot something. It was that crate change. Alright. So, the good thing about it is,
Yeah.
the more pistons we get out, easier it's going to turn. Yep.
I'm probably going to see ones that have them here for the user.
You know,
I'll have one here.
We're not putting anybody down.
Nope.
Evidently, you know, they did what they knew to do. So, thing is, I'll get these rods resized and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And go from there. Yeah, got my pistons coming, so.
Yeah. Oh, Dave got a hold of you?
Not yet.
No.
Dave? You know who you are, Dave.
Yeah, you know what we're talking about.
Yep. So far, I see none down to the copper.
That's a good deal.
Yeah. Scooby-Doo. Where are you? Here we go. It's banging on one out. Okay.
There it is.
Yep. Now, since I saw that on the last piston, let's see. But the same thing.
Really?
Right there.
No.
Well, that might explain the smoking.
Yeah, a lot.
So, but like I said, so far,
Bearing lighted.
yeah, none of the bearings are in the copper. Standard too. Yeah. Yep, I think these will be a good set of rods to get resized and put some rod bolts in. But yeah, that and you always space your rings. And they've got these about right on top of one another. So this is explaining a lot. You offset them. So, I'm going to say this thing probably smoked from day one. Yep. I just can't believe that they had those spoil rings that close. You're not supposed to do that. Not saying that I'm the world's greatest engine builder or anything. I built a lot of small blocks. Yep, go a little bit back, a little bit. Right there. I'm thinking.
But you've done quite a few of them, so you know what to do, not to do.
Everybody's got their way of doing things, guys. tried a lot of things. You can ask Donnie, it ain't nothing to come home, read an article.
Yep.
They'd say this camshaft or that camshaft would help.
He'll do it. You can see what happens.
Yep.
Sometimes it worked. Sometimes it didn't work. So you'd be back, turn it back apart.
Not so far. Knock on wood. Bearings look all good. We haven't looked at the mains yet, but so far,
Those would be good 9 times out of 10. Those are good.
I would think so. I don't think there's very many miles on this thing.
No.
Oh, that came out pretty easy.
You're kidding.
Till I get there.
Yeah.
They didn't want to come out. Like this whole-
Yeah. You said something. That's the same way.
Yep. They got the oil rings almost on top of each other. Yeah, so. Okay. Well, at least we know why it was smoking.
Yeah.
Sorry to have them back to the camera. But yeah, let's see the top. Yep. Yeah. Not good. And the general lead is off, ladies and gentlemen. See how easy that's getting to me? Right there. That's getting to turn pretty easy for you, ain't it?
Yeah.
That was a little loose. That didn't crack. That's another reason why I will have them, Josh, resize them and put new bolts in them. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Just for the simple fact, them didn't crack like the rest of them.
No, they did not.
Like didn't
Yeah.
crack is whack.
Yep. Crack is whack.
Crack is whack. What about booger sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just seeing that they had some junk. I'm thinking a light polish so far.
Yeah, 3 more to go, but so far everything's good.
Cross your toes.
Yeah, and your eyes and everything.
Yeah. But yeah. Okay.
Picking up easy too.
And oh wait a minute. There's one. Where's the other on this one? Where's that? Wait a minute. What's there?
Is there?
Okay, there it is. That. Oh, same thing. Yep. But the two, the middle and the top are a little bit farther away than the rest of them. Hold it. Okay. This way. So far, 30 over.
Right, so.
Yep. New pistons, rings, rods and mains, gasket kit, and the right camshaft.
Yeah, you said you got one picked out.
Yep.
This is going into the wagon, right?
Yes. This one here we're going to put in the wagon because we're going to take the wagon, 64 Nova wagon motor, we're going to put that in the truck.
Yeah, it runs really good.
It's a 355. It's got a Howard's cam in it.
Just too big for manifolds.
Yeah,
But when you built it with headers in it. Headers in it.
yep. And I didn't have $1,600 for a set of headers for the wagon
Why not?
to fit the church toys kit.
Yeah.
I was like, said some bad words.
I think you did.
I'm pretty sure I did. Snap down to the copper. So far,
Yeah, looking good.
we're liking what we see. Except for the rings.
Yeah, the ring is a little bit.
But I wonder if Josh would be interested in his pistons.
He might be.
He might be, yeah. Because right now, I'm thinking, yep, that bearing's good.
That's good. Good deal there.
I'm not complaining. You know what? This thing probably would have just needed a can change.
Mm-hmm. And like a freshen up kit.
Yep. Okay, where you at? Yep, same thing. That one's bent. Yeah, what's bent right there? I can still, here, yeah, I can catch my finger in all of them. So they tried. So I gotta wonder, was this the motor that came in that 68?
Yeah, me and stock beef.
Because this is just, I don't know if it came with a 4-bolt back then or a 2-bolt, since it was a half ton.
Yeah, usually most people want a truck motor because it's 4 bolts.
Yep, but 2-bolt, 4-bolt doesn't matter to me. Right there. Because,
Yeah, it needs to be a race car.
well, we both had 2 bolts.
Oh, yeah.
We beat the snot out of them.
Yeah, we have. When we say beat the snot, well, we beat the snot out of them.
I would never do anything like that, no.
No.
No,
No,
I
your
wouldn't.
wife's scared of your car and not go over there, jump on it.
Yeah.
Yesterday when you jumped on it.
Well, I had to let them know what they were.
Yeah. It's like, didn't think about it though, too. We let off and like, Michelle said something and I go, oh, poor Michelle.
Another one.
Yeah, good.
Huh.
One lump. So far, so good.
Pretty soon we're going to be down to the train.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
In the train, yeah.
Yeah, let's check the rings. Okay. There's the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
I have one on.
Look. Where's it at? Nope.
Yeah,
It's dead. It's almost dead same as on top of the.
Yeah.
I thought we was gonna get lucky.
Yeah.
It didn't work. Oh well. Hey, like you said, with the flywheel being held on by 2 or 3 threads, put flex plate bolts in it. That's something I would suggest, guys. Don't use flex plate bolts on a flywheel.
Yeah. Won't be a good ending.
This should turn really easy now. Yeah. Keep going. Right there.
Yeah, it's turned really easy.
So. Yeah, you moved it. Ooh, look at that.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, it turns. Well, you know, we got to meet that guy and his wife and his boy.
Yeah, there wasn't no total loss anymore. No. Yeah, I was expecting to pay more for a motor and found out.
Ooh, that. You know what though? It's not in the crank. It went whatever the junk they had going, which
That's been the worst bearing so far.
you know what?
Oh, you look at your hand?
Okay, gotta look, make sure I'm getting it close enough, Donnie.
Yeah, a little closer. Okay. We're kind of getting the glare. Like right there. And you see it right
Yeah,
there.
that's the worst bearing of them right there, guys. So I'd say that the cam going flat. I'd say that junk got into that one.
And I say so. But eventually we got them all.
But so far, I'm gonna say polished.
Mm-hmm.
But we haven't got the mains off yet.
Done that before.
Hey Josh, guess what's coming your way? And we got the bearing.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. We see the one half of it. Yeah. And
This is about bad.
there and there.
Dang.
So yeah,
This one might be worse, man.
I think it got some junk in it. Yeah. That'd be my clue. Scooby Doo, Scooby Doo. But we'll roll it over here. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
No, it's just some crud. Yeah. Polish. Okay. Well, that's that 5/8. You want to probably, we're gonna want the, this break. I'll let you break the loose. You can probably take that balancer off now. You don't need that anymore. You might as well just, come on, muscles.
Well,
Move around on me. Come on, muscles. Hey, that was there.
that was.
That was there. Are you getting weak in your old age?
No.
There he goes. You gotta have a handy guy. Hey, look at that. Well, here we go now.
You're right.
All right. Yeah. Okay. That looks good. First one. That work, please. That has got, well, very little bit of copper. So far. Yeah. Okay. Oh no.
That was the same way.
Yep, a little bit of copper. That didn't. What a money.
Yeah, my good idea.
A little beat again. Yeah, come on. Come on, brother. Come on. Must be you. You must be sleeping smelling today. Okay. A little bit. Yep. Putting right order. And that one's just got a little bit of crud that was in it. The variant, I think, caught it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, let's spin this over. I'm thinking a polish. I think so.
It didn't look bad as that one I had. Like 83 that time. It was better.
Can't really hook my finger on this one. Ugh. I think I'm gonna lay that down.
Now lay it down.
Yeah. I feel a lot safer.
Yeah. Jump.
I bet that's from the field.
Mm-hmm.
But well, they got that one pretty decent. Nope. I spoke too soon. Yeah.
No, we need it.
But I think we got a good block.
Yes. Definitely good block for sure.
I believe so. Get some new cam bearings put in. Put some brass grease plugs in it. I like brass.
Yeah.
But yeah. I believe this has been, because that's a fresh plug right down there.
Oh, yep.
So I don't know who rebuilt this or how they did it, but they definitely didn't put the piston rings on, right?
No,
That was an oops.
yep. But overall, the block is really, really good.
I think so. Crank savable rods, I think. Get them resized. But it definitely needs board. As you can see, those ridges. So,
Josh, you got some work coming.
yeah. So yeah, right there she is, guys. It's not a bad foundation. Before I take it to Josh,
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah. Watch the oil dump out. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Yeah, I'll go in here where the casting flash is on the return holes. I will clean that out. Always kind of smooth these edges out.
I got air compressors, so if you want to do it here, you can.
And I'll take, what I do is, on the main cap, right there, I'll radius that hole and smooth it, and I always smooth this area in here where the pump goes. Take the rough edge off there, or over here, yeah, and that just helps your oil flow. David Vizard, that's who I learned doing that from, is taking that and smoothing that out. So anything you can do to help the oil flow and get back to the pan, that's a good thing.
Yes.
So, yep. Yeah, see, it's that deep most.
Yeah.
So, yeah. There she is, fellas.
Nice and bright and ready to roll.
Well, kind of, yeah. I mean, I don't think it's cracked,
Okay.
but I'll have Josh check it at the machine shop. He always magnifies the stuff for us. But I'm thinking it's definitely going to need to be done 30. Yep. I don't like to go any bigger. I don't have to. You know, I was talking to Josh. He says then, you know, if something goes wrong, you always got 40 over, you got 60 over, so you got
a couple more times to go.
Yep.
That one I have 360, so I only have that one done.
But yeah, she had some core shift though when she was cast, so it'll make a good little street cruiser for the '64 Noble wagon.
Mm-hmm.
I think so. What do you think?
I think it will.
Yeah.
I think it'll be a nice little motor, have a nice little sound. And...
yeah, I won't get so carried away on the game this time. Yeah. I'll build this a nice driver. Cross my fingers. But yeah.
No, I think it'd be fine. That last one was probably be alright, but you expect to use headers on that thing.
Yeah, I think if I had the headers on
it'd
it,
have been better.
Yep. So yeah, guys, this is what we found. So now this block, I'll probably before we take it over,
Yeah, flash that.
I'll do all that, and then I'm gonna get my thread chasers running through. Either that, or I could wait till it gets back, let him hot tank it and stuff.
And grease it.
Yep. Always do that when before I put the heads and stuff on. We gotta get this out too.
Oh, you can flash it out.
Haven't enough to do it right now. I mean, it's got like 16 pounds of sealer on it. Yeah. They didn't want her leaking. I'll give them that. Yeah. 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 That's good. They even got that home, little ball home new electric boards.
Oh, you do?
I might do that with this one.
You might as well.
Just to knock the rough edges off.
Yep.
Yep. I would.
And never hurt nothing.
You know, you don't, when you do that, you don't sit there for an hour and home. Just 2 or 3, 4 times, boom, you're done. So, that's our video today, guys. We got it all tore apart. Now we'll just get some stuff done to the block before we take it over to F&W at Josh's machine shop, Josh Wise in Archbold, Ohio. And follow along.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good build.
Yep, be a nice little motor for the wagon.
Yeah. This way you see it from the beginning till we put it in the car.
Yeah, we actually tore it down. You seen it running the 68 C10 project where it just wouldn't stop smoking. And then we took and pulled it out and found some things, and now
here you sit, empty block.
Yep.
Ready to go take it and get it done.
Yeah, now we kind of know why it was smoking. The oil rings were just not. You can't put your spaces, your gaps on top of one another. That is definitely not a good way to do it. But hey, that's what part of having a project is.
Yeah. You have wheels in your head.
You move along, you fix what you fix, and you just keep going. So guys, till next time, build what you want. You're spending the money.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't have to be perfect to drive it.
Nope. Ours is not perfect.
Nope. And we've talked to the last 2 car shows we've been to. Guys are getting to the point where they want to drive them.
Yeah.
They don't want them perfect.
Yeah. Getting that where people, I like when people want to drive them.
Saw a sticker today. It says shiny paint makes me nervous.
Well, all right, because you got a lot of money in that paint.
So, yep. Yeah, get them out and drive them and enjoy them. Don't let them sit in the garage.
No, they're not meant to sit.
Nope.
Not worth sitting and driving.
Yep. So until next time, guys, till we see you on Moose's Garage. Have a good day.
Yep. Like and subscribe.
Yep. Comment, share.
Yep.
Get this out there, guys. We're just a couple old regular guys that
We work regular jobs and do this kind of on the side.
Yep.
Like working on them.
we like working on old hot rods. So we'll see you.
Bye.